it's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with an update from the mine. I got a package on the table. I actually have some rigs that I got to deploy today, so stay tuned. We'll talk a little bit about some updates that I did, as well as we'll turn some rigs on. So first, let's open this. Let's roll the clip. DogeWoodCoffee.com. Alright guys, so we need to open up this package. It smells like coffee, and I wonder what is in the package. Let's get it open. Guys, it is, if I can get it out. Boom! DogeLordCoffee.com. Medium roasted, standard ground, ye old miners roast, 2-pound bag of coffee. Guys, this is out freaking standing. This, of course, is from Kundabits. Thank you. Huge thanks, Kundabits. It will be the first to go into the coffee jar. Alright, so we got some DogeLord coffee in the coffee jar. Man, I can't wait to put some more coffee in here. We fill this whole jar up with coffee. Coffee maker I'm grabbing as well, and then waiting for a good deal, maybe on like a garage sale or something. I'm gonna try and find a mini fridge to put right there, and have this to be like a little coffee nook and everything, so we can hold the creamer. Gotta have the creamer for the DogeLord coffee. Buy the drip. You're awesome. Thank you, Kundabits. Of course, thank you, DogeLord Coffee, for making awesome coffee. You're out freaking standing. Now, I gotta go deploy some rigs. You're all fluxtastic. Let's go in. S10s and a single S9. All the M30s we gotta deploy now. Bam, bam, bam. Now we did upgrade actually a lot of these. We got a 40 amp breaker here, 40 amp breaker here, 40 amp breaker here. Now I gotta go deploy rigs on 1 and 2. So let's go do that. Alright, so I actually I got to do some diagnostics on this rig. We actually have a bad motherboard. Doesn't post BIOS. CPU fan doesn't even spin half the time. Tried it, removed all the cards. Never goes into BIOS ever. Just does nothing. So infinite loops itself. So we should actually have a new motherboard out for that one. Alright, we got E3 over there. We're going to put another one out actually, but today we are actually going to turn some of these rigs on. Alright, we do have LP1 is plugged in as we speak, and we are right here. So let's get some of these rigs on. I actually need to get there's a big power hog up there. We got to get that big boy up, and then gonna put one of the smaller rigs over here on this one as well. So let's get this one on and we'll see what's happening. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, but maybe we got one of the X12s up there running, 3080s up there, as well as this mixed rig. It's got about 5 plugs in it. Can't show you too close, but now I'm going to get on a few of these other ones on the other breaker real fast, and get back to making sure everything's up and running. get my other wire ran for the other E3, and yeah, that'll conclude that. So, back to this side, and let's go get this stuff plugged in. Probably get that fan on. Let's go. While this thing is spooling up, dude, I want to show you all the super cool app that we have right here. So, Euphoria, shout out to Crypto Shaped, and Chili for getting this set up and showing us this, right? So, it shows your wattage, current usage, right? You install this on the actual breakers, and you see like powered one rig on, powered on the next rig. Now I have another rig on, which is pretty cool. And you can monitor it per breaker, so you can see we have, I'm monitoring 3 different breakers right now. Of course, so breaker 1, as you can see, it shows you that. It shows you your usage, October usage, monthly peak. Pretty cool. I really like the app right here. And it even shows right here, which this one is actually just monitoring this E3, which I was kind of curious of what the wattage was for this, plus what we know via the meter, plus what we know via like the software. So it's a pretty good comparison, and I mean this thing is pretty spot on to what's going on, and it works out great, especially for like hosting and stuff. You can monitor each person's breaker and know what's going on per breaker monthly and bill accordingly. So shout out to Crypto Shape and Chili for showing us this. So anyway, back to testing and getting rigs back on. Alright guys, so everything is up running. We have the spot left for the last one to go in right there, but they're all up and running. Got those there, and we have the 3X12 Ultras up at the top. I kind of like them up there because I can't really get too tall to that with most things, so X12s kind of fit nicely, like literally 3 of them right on top of each other like that, fit great. So got all those situated, got that over there. E3 is running, cables are ran for the next one. But I actually got to get out of here to my son's soccer game, so as you can see, we are up and hashing, right? Had to move some Ethernet cable, but everything's up and going, so absolutely awesome. Freaking FA. Now, catch you on the next one, guys. Much love. Peace out. Catch you on the flip side, and stay hashing. Yeah.